How do you cancel a Temu product order? So here's the truth. You can cancel it, but you have to be fast. So first, open the Temu app or website and then go to your orders, find your order, click the item you want to cancel, and if you see a cancel order button, you're good. Tap it, choose a reason, and then confirm. But here's where most people mess up. If there is no cancel button, that means your order is already processed or about to ship. And once it ships, cancellation is no longer possible. So use return instead. Wait for the item to arrive, then request a refund or return inside your orders. Important reminder is orders process fast, so sometimes within only 24 hours. So you must cancel as soon as possible after placing the order. Returns usually take a few days depending on your payment method. So if you're unsure, contact customer support immediately. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.